So hi to everyone. So this is Surendra. So today we are going to be discuss 10th class polynomials chapter. In this chapter I will give you one full short video. In 10th class polynomials chapter I will give you one video. In that chapter what models is the important for final exam, which models you can concentrate, that all things I will discuss you now. And I will see that in a textbook each question I will solve for you. See that what is first, see the definition of polynomials. You can see the definition of polynomials. So polynomial definition is f of x is equal to a naught x power n plus a1 x to the power n minus 1 plus a2 x to the power n minus 2 plus and so on, plus an x to the power n minus 1, where this small a naught, a1, a2 and so on all are called coefficients. So actually we say that what is the multiplication of the variable term, that is the coefficient. So here the x power n coefficient is a naught, or a naught coefficient is x power n. And when we say that one algebraic expression is the polynomial, that algebraic expression contains the non-negative integral power, then we say that that algebraic expression is a polynomial. Understood? So if I take the one algebraic expression, for suppose some f of x is equal to some 7x square plus 3x to the power 7 plus 5. This algebraic expression I am taking. When we say that this algebraic expression is a polynomial, see this algebraic expression we want to say it is a polynomial means we want to check two conditions of the variable powers. In that variable powers, here what is the variable here? X. X is the variable. Here x power what? Here 2 and here 7 is the powers. These variable powers must and should be non-negative and must and should be as the integral value. Then we say that this algebraic expression is a polynomial. Understood? We want to decide it is a polynomial or not, means we want to check two conditions. First one is that variable powers non-negative or not. Next one is that variable powers integer or not. That two values satisfy, then we say that it is a polynomial. It is the 1 mark model they will asking for final examinations. They give you one algebraic expression. That algebraic expression we want to check it is a polynomial or not. How we can check? Variable powers we can check. The variable powers is a non-negative integral power, integral value means it is a polynomial. Then next we can see that model. What is the coefficient? They will ask the coefficient. So here x is the variable. What is the x square coefficient? X square multiplying with 7. So x square coefficient is 7. And they will ask, for suppose they will ask coefficient of x power 7. X power 7 multiplying with 3. So x power 7 coefficient what? 3. Like that they will ask the questions. For suppose they will ask coefficient of x square. What is that answer? 7. They will ask coefficient of x power 7. That answer is 3. In this algebraic expression, it is a polynomial or not? Yes, it is a polynomial. Why? Because of here variable power 2, here variable power 7. Both are non-negative values and both are integers. So it is a polynomial. And they will ask what is the constant. In this expression, what is the constant? Constant is 5. And what is the degree also they will ask. Next one, what is the degree? Degree means highest variable power is called the degree. We can see that highest variable power is called the degree. Here what is the variable? X is the variable. Here x power's highest value. What is x power highest value? Here 2, here 7. So what is the highest value? 7. So what is the degree here? 7. What is the degree? Degree is equal to 7. Yes, this is the, they are asking that for final examinations they will ask one more question for polynomials. They will ask what is the given algebraic expression is a polynomial or not. Second one, what is the degree of the polynomial. Third one, what is the coefficient of, but suppose they will ask x square, x cube, that coefficients they will ask. This is the models. In first exercise, this models only will come. Now we can see that first exercise models. We can start first exercise. What will they will give? We can see. Stop. Yes, we can see exercise 3.1. First question. What they will given? P of x is equal to 5x power 7 minus 6x power 5 plus 7x minus 6. They will give like this. What they will asking? First one, coefficient of x power 5 is coefficient of x power 5. What is the coefficient of x power 5 here? X power 5 multiplying with minus 6. So what is the coefficient of x power 5? Minus 6. Next, second question, degree of p of x. What is the degree of p of x? So degree means what? Highest variable power is called the degree. Here what is the highest variable power? Here variable x power 1 is there, here x power 5 is there, here x power 7 is there. So highest variable power what? 7. So what is the degree? Degree of p of x? 7. And the third question, what is the constant term? What is the constant term here? So already we know constant means minus 6 is the constant term. Next, second question, see what they will asking. State which are the following statements are true and which are false. Give reasons. So we need to show that which are the true, which are the false, and give the reasons also. See the second Roman. First question, what they will asking? The degree of polynomial root 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is root 2 they given. So what is the degree of the polynomial? Highest variable power is the degree of the polynomial. Here variables is x and x square. Highest variable power what? 2. But they given degree is root 2. So it is a false. Why? Because of variable highest variable power is 2, degree is 2, but they giving is a root 2. That's why it is not a, the degree is 2. Second question, see, coefficient of x square in the polynomial p of x is equal to 3x cube minus 4x square plus 5x plus 7 is 2. They will asking that coefficient of x square. What is the coefficient of x square here? X square multiplying with minus 4. So what is x square coefficient? X square coefficient minus 4. But they given here 2. So it is also false. Next, third one. Degree of a constant term is 0. Yes, always degree of a constant term is 0. Next, 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6 is a quadratic polynomial they given. It's a true or false we need to write. So it is first of all it is not a polynomial. Why? Because of 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6 is there. So this polynomial you can write means what will come, sir? This x square you can send to upside, x power minus 2 will come. Yes or no? Here denominator x square means numerator same means what will come, sir? X power minus 2 will come. So first term is only, it's not satisfying our conditions. What is our conditions? Polynomial means must and should be the variable powers non-integral and non-negative and integral. But here x power minus 2 will coming. Minus 2 is an integer only, but it's a negative integer. So it is not a polynomial. But they given it is a quadratic polynomial, means it is also false. Next, see the fifth one. Degree of a polynomial is 1 more than the number of terms in it they given. So degree is, we can see that variable power, highest variable power is called the degree. But here they given degree of a polynomial is 1 more than the number of terms in it they given. So it is a false. Yes, we can see the third question. P of t is equal to t cube minus 1. Find the values of. So this model also they will asking for one more questions. We need to find the values of the polynomial. So P of t is equal to t cube minus 1. First value what? P of 1. So P of 1 we need to find. Here how we can do this question? See, here P of t is equal to t cube minus 1. I want P of 1 value. So in t place here we have 1 value. So in expression in a polynomial also you can put t value is 1. 1 cube minus 1. That is 1 cube means 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 how much is 0. Next which value they are asking? P of minus 1. So minus 1 whole cube minus 1. Minus 1 whole cube means minus 1 only and minus 1. The answer is minus 2. Next P of 0 they will asking. P of 0 means 0 cube minus 1. 0 cube means 0 only. Answer is minus 1. Next P of 2 they will asking. P of 2 means t place you have to put 2 value. 2 cube minus 1. 2 cube means 8. 8 minus 1. Answer is 7. Next P of minus 2 they will asking. Minus 2 whole cube. Minus 2 whole cube minus 1. Minus 2 whole cube means minus 8 minus 1. That is answer is minus 9. So this is the third question. And you can see the fourth question. Check whether minus 2 and 2 are the zeros of the polynomial. P of x is equal to x power 4 minus 16. P of x is equal to x power 4 minus 16. We want to check 2 and minus 2 are the zeros of the polynomial. How we can do this question? Alright, we want to check that minus 2 and 2 are the zeros of the polynomial. So this is also one important model. Zeros of the polynomial means we want to, if you can substitute here 2, the answer is 0 will come. G is not a 0 of the polynomial. So which numbers we want to check? P of 2 and P of minus 2 we want to check. First you have to take 2, P of 2 you want to check, then what will come sir? 2 power 4 minus 16. 2 power 4 means 16. 16 minus 16, answer is 0. Then you have to write here 2 is a 0 of the polynomial. You can write it. Next we have to check minus 2 also. Next we have to check minus 2. What will come sir? P of minus 2 means minus 2 whole to the power of 4 minus 16. Minus 2 whole to the power of